Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Hi Sis Bernal, happy birthday. Sana marami pang birthday ang dumating sa buhay mo at stay beautiful and healthy. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. And once again, happy birthday. God bless. Mua chup chup from Katwembel. Bye bye.
Hi, Ate Del Bernal. Happy birthday. Wish you have a healthy, long life. Enjoy with your apo. Lagi happy birthday.
Hello, Ate Bernal. Happy birthday. May this year bring you endless joy, incredible adventures, and success in your endeavors. Again, happy birthday.
Hello Sis Del, isang mapagpala at maligayang kaarawan sa iyo. Wish ko sana patuloy kang iingatan ng puwang may kapal, bigyan ng marami pang kaarawan para sa pamilya mo, maging matatag upang malabanan ang lahat ng mga pagsubok sa buhay. God bless you at sa buong pamilya. Happy birthday.
Bernal, happy birthday. Wishing you a healthy life and more blessings and enjoy your day. Thank you so much for sharing us your blessings, for your generosity, for your kindness, for your effort and everything. Thank you so much. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mami Bernal. God bless. Sana madami pang birthday na dumating sa buhay mo and good health.
To you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Hi Ate Bernal, happy birthday sa imo. My wish for you is tana tagaan pa ka og maayong nga panlawas, usog kabaskog ug sa tibuok ni mga pamilya na tana proteksyonan ka paminti. Salamat kaayo sa mga tabang nga gihatag nimo sa moa, sa ako especially dako na kay kabalo ko nga nakay natabang sa ako. Kita rin nakabaluan na. Salamat kay Ate Bernal, tungod kay sa imo nakailata ka. Dako kay akong kalipay nga nakaila jud ta ka kay nakatabang ka sa akong kinabuhi. Nakatabang ka sa mga problema nga niabot sa ako. So daghang kay salamat Ate Bernal. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day Ate Bernal and God bless.
Ma'am Bernal, happy birthday. Hinautunta nga anak ka sa maayong panglawas o gipalayo ka sa disgrasya. Hatagan ka o taas pang kinabuhi. Og dako sa bako pasalamat kanimo Ma'am Bernal no sa imong grasya nga imo gyapon gipang share kanamo. Og mao lang kadto happy birthday Ma'am Bernal.
To you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday po, Mami Bernal. Sana po maging masaya po kayo sa kaarawan ninyo and more birthday and blessing to come po sa inyo. Love you po. Thank you din po sa pag-share ng blessing sa amin. Thank you po. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Bernal. Wish many more birthday years to come and God bless you always. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Hola, Hello, Sister Bernal. Magandang araw sa iyo. I want to greet you a happy birthday. I wish you all the best. More birthdays to come. More blessings to come. Enjoy your birthday with your family. And always wear your smile. Stay and beautiful. Yan, salamat din sa iyo na naging bahagi ko dito sa Sulit Katwimbel. Acha, I love you. Yan, anyong sa'yo. I love you, Sister Bernal. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, my darling. Anay mo. Ay, Langga Bernal, happy birthday. Salamat kayo sa inyong pagkabuutan. Good health. More birthday to come. More blessing. God bless you. I love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Ginagreet ko si Sis Bernal. Happy birthday! Ang wish ko lang inaot maligon sa panglawas o padayon sa kagwapa sa imong panglawas. Kantahan ta kaog sana'y mabusog mo kami. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Sis Bernal. God bless you and your family. Salamat sa inyong pag-share sa inyong blessing. God bless. Salamat kayo. Happy birthday. May your God bless you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Sis Bernal. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. I love you. I love you too.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Good morning po, Ate Bernal. Happy birthday po sa isa pa naming sponsor. Ingat po kayo lagi, Ate.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.